Want your garden to bloom like never before? The secret is in the fertilizer. But with so many to choose from, how do you know where to start? Let me show you. So you may have noticed when you go shopping for your fertilizers, there's 3 main numbers on there, and that stands for your nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So the first number is the nitrogen. That's going to be overall lush greenery. Phosphorus is going to be for root development, and potassium is going to be for flowering and fruit development as well. So under these things, there's also micronutrients that you need in your plants. These just help the overall absorption of things and balancing it out. Just like we need food, water, but we also need other minerals as well. So with that, let's take a look. One of my favorite products that we carry is the Garden Pro. This is a locally sourced fertilizer, and what I love about it is they've really simplified it for you. So if you're looking to fertilize specific things, they've got specific things ready for you. So super simple. Another thing that I love about this product is they often have kelp added. And what kelp I find does is it's just an overall boost of health, makes a stronger cellular wall structure in the leaves, which helps make them more disease resistant and just overall healthy and lush. With adding these extra fertilizers to your garden this year, you're sure to be successful and have great flowers all spring and summer.